Okay, good afternoon, students. So today we are starting the elective fifth sem elective paper, that is elective paper 1. So in this you have the three-dimensional geometry is there for the fifth semester. Okay, third year students, BSc third year students. So it is a discipline specific elective course A. Okay, so it is the elective 1A. In this we have the three-dimensional geometry. Okay, so those who have completed the intermediate second year, so you have the idea that already we have seen the 2D, that is a two-dimensional geometry. Okay, two-dimensional geometry you have learned in that what is a plane, what is line. Even in that we have seen the equation of a plane, equation of the line, shortest distance between the lines, and also if the lines are collinear and coplanar, so different length of perpendicular is there. When the two lines are parallel, what is the formula and how to find the equation of the plane. So when points are given, how we construct that is a symmetric line, and also non-symmetrical line will be there. So depending on that, many topics already we have seen in the intermediate second year. So here we are discussing about the 3D. It is a three-dimensional geometry. We know that three-dimensional geometry means you will have the three axes, that is the x-axis, y-axis, and also z-axis. And you have the three dimensions, that is a length, breadth, and also height will be there. Okay, in 2D means length, breadth, or length, height, or like that any two dimensions will be there. But in three-dimensional, you will have length and also breadth and also height will be there. So already, if you know the topics about the what is a line, what is a plane, and also equation of line, equation of the plane, it is given in the almost in lower classes, the introduction is given. So now we are dealing with the three-dimensional geometry. It is a elective A of fifth semester. So if you'll see the blocks, 4 blocks, it is divided, no? So first block, it is about the Cartesian coordinates and also plane. Okay. So what are the Cartesian coordinates? It is given in the unit 1. So Cartesian coordinates, direction cosines, and direction ratios. Okay, this is the unit 1 we have. Second unit is the plane and various forms of the equation of a plane. Okay, so what is a plane and what are the forms of the finding the equation of the plane? It is given in the unit 2. And third one is about the bisectors of the angles between two planes and two sides of a plane. Okay. So here we know you already we have discussed about the examination pattern, how you will get the examination questions. So in that, if you'll see each block, you will have the 2 5 marks questions and 2 long questions. That is the 10 marks questions you will have. And one question, it is a 20 marks question in the section C you will have. Okay. So here from the block 1, 2 short answers will be there. So almost the short answers will be from the unit 1. And also sometimes you may get from the unit 2 also. In that equation of the plane is there, no? From that they may ask the question for the 5 marks question. But whatever the unit 3 is there, it is the bisectors of the angle between two planes. So this concept is a very important one. This you will get for the 10 marks question. So any two planes will be given, equation of the two planes will be given. From that you have to find the bisectors of the angles. So whether they are making the acute angle or obtuse angle, with the help of the formula you have to find, and you have to see whether the given two planes they are making the acute or that is obtuse angle. Okay, so that is the 10 marks question you will get from the unit 3. And in unit 1 some problems are there, some questions are there, that is your cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta is equals to 4/3 is there. One of the formula it is there. So that one it is one of the theorem. So 2-3 theorems are there in unit 1, which may be asked for the 10 marks question. We need 2 10 marks questions, no? So from unit 1 and from unit 3, you will get the 10 marks questions, and 1 and 2, you will get the 5 marks questions. Okay. So it is about the block 1. Next, if we'll see block 2, it is the straight line is there. So unit 4 is there. Unit 4 is a straight line and various forms of the equation of the straight line. So in this only symmetric line and unsymmetrical line both will be there. So what is the form of a symmetric line and how you can convert a symmetric line into unsymmetric line, that it is their topic you have in this unit 4. So those that question you will get for the 5 marks question. Okay. So next, if we'll go to the unit 5, skew lines are there and shortest line segment between two skew lines is there. So this unit 5 is important for that is in for 10 marks question. They will ask to find the length of the shortest line segment between the two skew lines, they will ask. And in almost unit 6, you may not get any such type of questions. Only you may have the chance of only 5 marks question. Even in the from unit 4 also, you will have the coplanarity of the lines will be there, or whether to show the two given lines are coplanar or intersecting, and at the what point they are intersecting, that question you will get for 10 marks. So unit 4 and unit 5, you will get the two 10 marks questions, and even you have the chance of two 5 marks questions from these two units, or sometimes unit 6 you may get. Okay. Next, if we'll go to the block 3, it is about the sphere we have. So in this, finding the equation of the sphere when the given 4 points will be given. So with the help of that, the standard equation of the sphere will be x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equals to 0. So by substituting those 4 points, you have to find the equation of the sphere, and you have to find what is the center of the sphere and what is the radius of the sphere. Okay. Sometimes it may only equation of the sphere is asked. It will be for 5 marks question. If it is asking the center of the sphere and also radius of the sphere, and combining with the equation of the sphere, you may get for 10 marks question. Okay. That is from unit 7 you have. Next, unit 8, you have the tangent plane, normal plane, and polar planes of a sphere are there. So this tangent plane, whatever question is there, that you will get for the 10 marks question. Okay. One equation of the sphere will be given, one plane equation will be given. So it will be s plus lambda into equation of the plane. If you take it is equals to 0, and then if you convert that one, you will get the equation of the tangent plane. Okay. That question you will get for the 10 marks question. And the unit 9 is the radical plane and coaxial system of spheres is there. So finding the radical plane, or else in this only you will have the finding the limiting points will be there. So that question also will get for the 10 marks question. That will be depending upon radical plane and also coaxial system of sphere will be there. So this concept, that is 8 and 9, you will get for the 10 marks questions, and from this only whatever the short answer, short questions will be there. One polar plane will be there. So that polar plane will be for the 5 marks question, and here finding the equation of the sphere will be for 5 marks question. Rather than that, whatever the somewhat lengthy problems are there, those you will get for the 10 marks question. So it is about the block 3. Next we have block 4 is there, cone and cylinder we have. So in this, one question, 10 marks question, you will get for finding the equation of the, that is a cone will be there. And also finding the, you may even have right circular cone or right circular cylinder will be there. So for that also, that one is theorem you have for finding the equation of cone and also for finding the equation of cylinder. So that question you may get for the 10 marks question, cone intersection of cone with a plane and a line. Okay. And after that, right circular cone also you will have. Next you have cylinder, equation of the cylinder will be there. And here enveloping cone or reciprocal cone, these questions you will get for the 5 marks questions. But whatever the equation of the cone will be there, finding the equation of the cone, that question you will get for the 10 marks question. And even if you'll see 262 page number, right circular cone equation is there. The equation of a right circular cone with vertex and
Excuse
also,
me, ma'am.
yeah,
Page.
page number 262, 11.5, it is a right circular cone. So this you will get for the 10 marks question. So page number 252, you have find the enveloping cone of the sphere with the vertex you have. So this you will get for 5 marks question. Next cylinder, we have equation of the cylinder and equation of the right cylinder also will be there. So that is page number 269 you have. The equation of the cylinder whose generators are parallel to the line and whose guiding curve is the conic. So this is about the equation of the cylinder. Whatever this theorem proof is there, this you will get for the 10 marks. And from this only, whatever the example problem is there. So you may get the theorem or you may get the problem for finding the equation of the cylinder. That is 271 page number 12.2.3. Next, enveloping cylinder is there. Similarly, how you have enveloping cone, like that only enveloping cylinder will be there. That you will get for the 5 marks question. Next, 275 page number, right circular cylinder. This proof of the theorem is also important. Even this right circular cone or right circular cylinder, you may get for the even 20 marks question also. Section C you have, no?
Yes, yes.
So if you know the formula, how to find the equation of the right circular cylinder, next example we have, see, 277 page number 12.4.5. This is also important problem. So these are the topics you are having in 3D, three-dimensional geometry. So today we'll see about the unit 1.
Okay, ma'am.
So unit 1, almost introduction of whatever you have studied in the 10th class, that is coordinate system, it is there, no? So
Yeah,
in
ma'am.
that, how the equation of that is a equation of any plane will be there. Starting, you have the distance between two. If 2 points are given, how to find the distance between those 2 points is there. And also, if 2 points are given, and also it is divided into any of the ratio, that is m is to n or lambda is to 1. So how you will find the midpoint of that one. And also some formulas are there. Whatever the unit 1 is there, it is about the almost lower classes only. So distance between the 2
Yeah,
points.
ma'am. That is so.
Yeah, what ma'am?
No, I'm just telling this is so easy. We can do.
You can do by yourself, huh?
Yeah, ma'am. This is too easy. I have done almost.
Okay, from the example problems only you can solve these all
Yes,
problems.
ma'am.
Okay, so if you see page number 10, that is showing that the points are collinear. So if you
Yes.
know what is a collinear means, if 3 or more points lie on the same line, they are said to be collinear points. So 3 points will be given. So from that 3 points, you have to find the distance between the 2 points. If you take a PQR, that is PQ, QR, and also PR. And if you get any similarity between these 3 points, then we can say that the given 3 points are collinear. Okay. So, and after that, check your progress is there, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Below that also. A form of an 3 points are given. You have to form an isosceles right angle triangle, or next one is whether it forms a square or not. So square means all whatever the length you will find no distance between the points, you have to get all the 4 values are same. Okay. So these example problems, whatever you have, these you will get for the 5 marks question. That is a section A, first question only from this unit you will get. Next,
Okay.
in this one more important is this ratio is there, no? Page number 12. Hence, the coordinates of the point R, which divides the line joining the points P, x1, y1, z1, and q, x2, y2, z2. In the ratio m is to n is there, no? This formula is also important. On that formula only, in page number 13, you have problem, you have, no?
Yes,
So 2
ma'am.
points will be given, and any ratio, if ratio is not given in the problem, then you have to take lambda is to 1 as the ratio, and we have to find the point of intersection. Okay. And
Yes.
the formula for midpoint also it is there, no? Page number 12 only you have x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. And that
Yeah,
one,
good.
13 page number note is there, no?
Yes,
For
ma'am.
externally and internally. So
Yes.
these formulas are important. Regarding of these formulas only you have the problem.
Yes, ma'am.
The second one is there, no? Find the ratio in which YZ plane divides the line joining P and Q is given, no?
Yes, ma'am. In the ratio
This is
to it.
also one of the important problem for 5 marks question.
Okay.
Okay, after that, one more example you have, no? If A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle, find the coordinates of the point in which the bisector of the angle A meets the side BC. Okay, this is also with
Yes,
regard
ma'am.
to finding the distance between the 2 points only. Next, we have the concept of direction cosines and direction ratios. Okay, this is the important one. So almost direction cosines and direction ratios in further blocks also we'll use that concept. So direction cosines and direction ratios, in this also you have formulas are there. You have
Yes,
understood
ma'am.
the concept of direction cosines and direction ratios.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if you remember the some relations are there, no, regarding of ratios and cosines that are important. So even in the unit 2, unit 3, or else in the block 2 also we'll use the concept of direction cosines and direction ratios. That is,
Yes, ma'am.
you have the definition, you have page number 15, direction cosines of a line. So if alpha comma beta comma gamma be the angles of any directed line AB, then whatever it is making the angles cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called the direction cosines of the given lines. So usually whatever small l comma m comma n are there, no? So those we represent as the direction cosines. Of a line, okay? So L equals to cos alpha, M is equals to cos beta, N is equals to cos gamma, okay? So these are very important if you know these three. And we have the relation between direction cosines and also direction ratios are there, okay? So this, if you have the positive direction, we'll have these as a positive values. If you have the negative direction, means you will have minus L, minus M, minus L, okay? That is given in page number 6. And also one more, this relation is very important, that is L square plus M square plus N square is equals to, sorry, 1, okay? So this is relation we'll use in some problems. Wherever you will get such relation, there we have to substitute the value as 1. So L square, whatever L square plus M square plus N square is there, that value will be 1. And also X equals to LR, Y equals to MR, and also Z equals to NR. These two values are important for solving some problems, but this is the very important one. So regarding of some problems, there wherever you get L square plus M square plus N square, we have to substitute that value as 1.
1.
So on that also you have one problem is there in page number 18. So a
Yes.
line makes angles 45 degrees and 60 degrees with the positive axis of X and Y respectively. Find the angle that it makes with the positive axis of Z. That is, we have to find the this cos gamma value. So it is already in the question, it is given L value, M value. So N we are taking it as cos gamma. This relation also we use with the help of this relation, and with the help of this we'll find the another angle. Okay. So this is also one of the 5 marks question. Next we have the concept of direction ratios. This direction ratios and direction cosines. So these two will have a relation together. So that relation is very important for solving the problems. For equation of the plane, for equation of the line, shortest distance it is there, no? There we will use the concept of these two. So that relation will be three numbers which are proportional to the direction cosines of a line are called the direction ratios of the line. Okay. So this is the relation between direction cosines and direction ratios. Okay. So L by A is equals to M by B is equals to N by C. Okay. And we know L is equals to, if you take, it is equals to K. Okay. Then what you will get, L is equals to AK, M is equals to BK, and N is equals to CK. And we have one relation, no? Just now we have seen, that is L square plus M square plus N square. So if you substitute these all, if you take out K square, no? K square, if you take out common, it is A square plus B square plus C square is equals to 1. So this is L square plus M square. In place of that, we are substituting these. So K square, if you take outside, it is A square plus B square plus C square equals to 1. So what you will get, K square is equals to 1 by A square plus B square plus C square. So K is equals to plus or minus 1 by A square plus B square plus C square. So in terms of K, if you substitute here, this value.
Ma'am, under root.
Okay, root. So if you take this, if you substitute here in place of K, this is plus or minus 1 by root of A square plus B square plus C square. Then you will get all the values of L. That is, L is equals to A divided by root of A square plus B square plus C square. So this is important. Next line you have now. L is equals to plus or minus A by and B by C by, it is there, no? So these are the direction cosines of a line with respect to of the direction ratios. Okay. This relation, and here whatever we are getting, L is equals to, next line you have now. That relation is very important for solving the problems. On that also you have the problems are there. Next example we have now. If 1 comma 2 comma minus 2 comma minus 2 are direction ratios of a line, then find the direction cosines of the line. So direction ratios means these are A, B, C values in the down. These values are given in the question. We have to find L, M, N values. So L value is equals to plus or minus A by root of is there, no? In that you have to substitute. First you have to find the root of this value if you substitute. And if you substitute here, you will get L, M, and N values. Okay. So check progress also, you have one problem is there. So this is a very small one. Even in some case, they will ask for the 5 marks question also. Next, in this only on next page number 22 you have. 22 page number. Find the direction cosines of the line joining the points. 2 points are given. From that you have to find the direction cosines. From this concept only you will find. Okay. This is one of the 5 marks question. Next in this, angles is there, no angle between the two lines. So if A1 comma B1 comma C1 and A2 comma B2 comma C2, if theta is the angle, 26 page number is there, no? This formula is very important. So for finding the angle of bisectors is there, no, in unit 3, this formula only we'll use in that. That is 26 page number you have down, you have no. If theta is the angle between the lines whose direction ratios are A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2, then let L1, M1, N1 be the direction cosines of the line whose direction ratios are A1, B1 and C1. So this formula you have now in page number 27. This is very important. Cos theta is equals to plus or minus A1 into A2 plus B1 into B2 plus C1 into C2. This is the important formula for finding the angle between the two lines. So regarding of this only, you have the angle of bisectors you have in unit 3. So even for this also, you have the 5 marks problems are also there in this. that is cos theta is cos theta only. Generally, we'll use the cos theta formula only. In some rare cases only, we'll use the sin theta formula.
Okay.
But cos theta formula is important. Okay. Plus or minus A1 into A2 plus B1 into B2 plus C1 into C2 by under root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square under root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Okay, this is the formula. So this is the important one. So for problems, we'll use this one. Sin theta is also just the difference will be there. Tan theta normally will not
Okay,
use.
ma'am.
Some cases we'll use the sin theta. Okay. Next
Okay.
is
Ma'am, this cos theta is equals to L1 L2 plus M1 M2 and N1 N2. This is also a formula, na, ma'am?
yeah, we can use with the
Page
help
number 27.
L1 M1 also we can use and we can find that one. It depends on the whether you in the
Question.
question asking the direction ratios or direction cosines. Okay. If direction
Okay,
ratios
ma'am.
are asked this formula. If direction cosines means then we have to use L1 M1 N1. Okay.
Okay.
Next condition of perpendicularity and parallelism is there, no? Just if you know the concept, that's enough for this one. If the given two lines are perpendicular means, so cos theta is equals to this, whatever the denominator, cos theta equals to 0. No? So 90 degrees perpendicular means, so cos 90 means you will get here 0. If you do the cross multiplication, this whole thing will be 0. So A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equals to 0 if two lines are perpendicular to each other. That is the condition. In some problems also we'll use this one. This whatever the, when two lines are perpendicular, so we'll use this one. A1, A2, B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equals to 0, or L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2 is equals to 0. Okay, this is even it is called as condition of perpendicularity. Okay. Condition of parallelism means you will divide this one. So condition of parallelism. Okay, that is L1 by L2 is equals to M1 by M2 is equals to N1 by N2, or A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. Okay. So this is for parallel, that is sin theta is equals to 0. So the theta value will be 0, then you will get this condition for the parallelism. Generally, we'll use the condition of perpendicularity in solving the problems. Next, page number 28. That is point, how many? 1, 2, 3. 4 points are given and find the angle between the lines, that is RS and PQ. First, you have to find the line RS and also PQ. Then we have to find with the help of this formula angle between those two lines. Okay. So this example problem also important. Then you can practice all the worked out exercises are there now. 1.91. Okay. Next, this 1.9.2. This is the important one. So generally, repeatedly, this question will be asked in the examinations. That is, find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular from point A 1, 1, 1 on the line joining points B and C. That is 1, 4, 6, 5, 4, 4. So here perpendicularity means we know the, so this whatever line, point 1 is there, no? Point A is perpendicular to BC line. So this, whatever the A is there, it is dividing this line BC. So here if we take the point, it is D. So we can take this as lambda is to 1. We have the formula is there, no? Whenever it is divided into lambda is to 1 ratio, then we have to find these points. And if you find this one, then you will get the D. A is given in the question, B is given and C is given. We have to find the value of D with the help of two conditions. First one is, that is, it is divided in the ratio lambda is to 1 with the help of that. And after that, AD will be, that is the direction ratios of ADR with respect of whatever the point you are getting there, and this value, you will get the value of D. Okay.
Yes,
So if
ma'am.
you find lambda value, if you substitute in that point, then you will get the point D value. So this is the repeated question you will get in the examinations. So almost these all are the 5 marks question. Next, page number 30, 1.9.4 is there now. A line makes angles alpha, comma, beta, comma, gamma, comma, delta with the diagonals of a cube. Prove that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta equals to 4/3. So this is the 10 marks question you will get in the section B. So first question will be from this unit only, and this is the 10 marks question. So this, whatever it is there, so this is the very easy one. If you know the concept of we have no L square plus M square plus N square equals to 1, by using that relation, we will find the here, whatever the given in the question, that relation you can show with the help of that one. So here 6 edges will be there in the cube. So, and 4 diagonals you will get here. So the diagonals will be here, OP, AA dash, BB dash, CC dash. Okay. With the help of the 4 diagonals and with the help of the 6 edges, whatever you have, with the help of that, and direction cosines will be there. So that if you substitute in the formula, first AA dash, 1 diagonal, OP, O will be origin 0, 0, 0. So P, you will have the point here.
Excuse me,
PD,
ma'am.
yeah.
Can you do this on the board?
Yeah, yes, I will tell you. All the example and exercise problems you have practiced those all.
Yes, ma'am. I have to do only that model question answers only.
Okay. So like this you have, no? This is X, this is Y, and this is Z. And this is one diagonal. See, OP. If you draw like this is one of the diagonal. Next we have A and A dash. A is here and A dash is here. Okay. This is one diagonal, and this is A and A dash is another diagonal. And one more is B, we have B here, and this is C. This B, if you will take here B dash, you will have like this. So here B dash. Next C dash, we have here C here. C dash. So from here to here, like this, you will get one more diagonal.
One more diagonal, okay.
Like this, okay? So
yes,
OP1, A dash is one diagonal, B dash is one diagonal, C and C dash is fourth diagonal, okay? So even you have to write here the points. What for the origin you will have 0, 0, 0. For A you will have A, 0, 0. So A here, whatever it is making with x-axis, first element, this is x, y, z, no?
Yes,
so
ma'am.
A and other, whatever the values will be there, that will be 0. A dash will be 0, A. That means for A dash, it will be the negative sign. So A, whatever x place will be there, that will be 0, y place will be A, and z place will be A. Okay. Next, C dash means A, 0. C will be 0, 0, A. Okay. Then here B will be 0, all is on
A, comma, 0.
0, and here it will be a comma 0 comma a. Okay, a
Yes,
comma
ma'am.
0 comma a. All values we got. Now we need p. P is a comma a comma a. A comma a comma a. Okay. These are all the points for the cube we have. And here first you write, let A be the length of the each side of the cube. So for cube, you are taking the length as A. That's why all the points with whatever we have written the small a. Okay. That
Yes.
is OA, this is OA, this is OB, this is OC. So that length is A, A. Okay. So with the help of that, we have written all the values. Next step is that one. Next, the direction ratios of the diagonals OP are O and P. So O is 0 comma 0 comma 0 and P is A comma A comma A. So if you find the 0 minus A, 0 minus A, that is we find the direction ratios, no? So
Yes, ma'am.
direction 0 minus A. So you get this value, sorry, OP,
No, ma'am.
no?
X2 minus X1, na? Then A minus 0.
P minus 0 value. So
Yes.
P1 A comma A. So minus 0 means you'll get A comma values only.
Yes.
Comma A. Next, what next diagonal is what? A and A dash. Okay. A dash is 0 comma A minus A is 0 comma 0 comma 0. So you will get here minus A minus 0 is A minus 0 is A. So it is minus A comma A for A dash diagonal. Next B dash diagonal. So what is B? B is A comma 0 minus A comma 0 comma A. So A minus A means you will get it as 0.
No, ma'am.
Somewhere we went wrong.
Ma'am, B is 0
B is
comma A comma 0.
comma 0. I have written C value.
Yeah.
0 comma A comma 0. So 0 minus A means
Minus A.
minus A. A minus 0 means A. 0 minus A means A. Okay. Next C dash. C dash means C is, wait, we have done correct only. This is A dash, no? First we have to write A dash. A dash is
Yes,
0, A,
ma'am.
correct only this is. This is A 0 0, correct. B dash means first B dash, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So this, see, here you have to write, here we have to write. That's why we got the negative values more here. B dash means this one, A 0 A. B is 0 A 0. Okay. Now A minus 0 means A. 0 minus A means minus A. A minus 0 means, okay, A. Here for first one, you will get here this negative value. For BB dash, you will get this value as negative value. And you can guess next value, you will get A comma minus A. Okay.
Yes,
C
yes.
dash means A comma 0.
A comma minus A.
A comma, where is C? 0 comma 0 comma A. So you will get it as A, and this is minus A. Okay.
Minus A. Yes, ma'am.
So these are the 4 diagonal values we have. So these are the direction ratios, no?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
direction ratio.
Direction
Now we have to find the direction cosines of this
cosine.
one. So
Yes, ma'am.
direction cosines of this one means that is each one A divided by under root of these values. A, each element now. These are the L comma M comma N we have. So minus A divided by under root of minus A whole square plus A square. So what you will get? A divided by root 3 A square you will get, no? Each element divided by that one.
Yes.
So you will get here this as, so no need of diagram. So these are the direction ratios. Next one we have to find the direction cosines. The direction cosines of OP. First, if we take OP was A. So A by root of A square plus A square plus A square. This is also same. I am writing root 3 A square. And this is A by root 3 A square. So if you simplify this, what you will get? A by A square. Root if you take means it will be A and it is root 3. This is also A by A into root 3.
Root
A
3.
by root 3 into A. A will get cancelled here. This all. It will be
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Similarly, if you take for A dash,
It is
here
minus 1 by root 3.
minus,
Yes, only minus sign change.
next to A dash. So for this, minus 1 by root 3, next to 1 by root 3, next to 1 by root 3. To BB dash. BB dash means 1 by root 3, minus 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Next CC dash is equals to 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Okay. Now we got the all values. Next one is let L comma M comma N be the direction cosines. Actually, normally we take the direction cosines as L comma M comma N. No? So be the given line which makes angles. So this OP, A dash, BB dash and CC dash, and with the help of the direction cosines L comma M comma N, they are making the angles. So those angles are alpha, beta, gamma and delta. Okay.
Delta.
So alpha, beta, gamma and small delta. So these are making angles with OP, that is alpha with OP, beta with A dash, gamma with BB dash and small delta with CC dash. Okay. So respectively, then we have L is equals to cos alpha, M is equals to cos beta. We have no relation. With the help of the cos alpha is equals to L plus M plus N by root 3. So that whatever relation is there, that means this cos alpha it is making with OP. Next cos beta it is making with A dash.
A dash.
Cos,
That is minus L.
Making with BB dash. Next cos small delta it is making with this one. Okay. Yes. That means in place of here you are multiplying this one into L comma M comma N. Okay.
Yes.
So then you will get the relation like this cos alpha. Next cos beta. Cos beta equals to minus L, no? Minus L plus M plus N by root 3. Next cos gamma is equals to L minus M plus N by root 3. Next L plus M minus N by root 3. So cos delta I have not done. Cos delta. Okay. So these relations we have got these all. Now what is asking in the question? He is asking in the question that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta. You have to show that it is the 4 by 3 value.
Yes.
So if you substitute in that one relation.
Yeah, we will get value.
Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square small delta. You have to make this whole square. Okay. So if we'll take this, it is else. So all if you take minus L plus M plus N, if not you take like this. So L minus M plus N by plus L plus M minus N by root 3 whole square. Okay. So if you expand this one or if you take That is 1 by root, whatever root 3 is there, it will get cancelled. No, root and square will get cancelled. So you'll get 1 by 3.
Yes.
1 by 3 if you take common, and all you will have this L square plus M whole square plus minus L plus M plus N whole square plus L minus M plus N whole square plus L plus M minus N whole square. Okay. So if you expand this one, this is in the form of A plus B plus C whole square. So it is A square plus B square plus C square, 2, that is 2LM plus 2MN, after that plus 2LN you will get. So if you expand like that only, so this you will get all the positive values, but here you will get the 2 negative values, here also 2 negative values, here also 2 negative values. So almost these all values will be get cancelled. Only L square plus M square plus N square values will be only remained in the, when you expand this one. Okay.
Yes.
So here one L square plus M square plus N square, here one, here one, here one. That means 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 times. That 4 L square plus M square plus N square you will be remained after doing the simplification of this one. Okay. By using the formula. So we'll get 1 by 3, 4 into L square plus M square plus N square. Okay. Now, before only we have seen the relation that L square plus M square N square value is 1.
1
is equals to 4 by 3.
4 by 2.
L square plus M square plus N square equals to 1. Okay. So like this, you have to prove the theorem.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
This is the somewhat easy one compared to other theorems. Just if you know these values here, you can solve this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, in this only, next one also we have, no. This is also important one. They may ask, because you have 20 marks question also you have, no.
Yes, ma'am.
So, combining of these two questions. In these two questions are there. First one you have and second one you have. Okay. That also by combining these two, they may ask for 20 marks question, or else only one question they may ask for 10 marks question. That is, here prove that the two lines whose direction cosines are given by the relation AL plus BM plus CN equals to 0 and MN plus NL plus LM equals to 0 are. These two are important one. That is, if perpendicular, if and only if A inverse plus B inverse plus C inverse equals to 0, when ABC value is not equals to 0. Next, parallel, if and only if root A plus or minus root B plus or minus root C equals to 0, where A comma B comma C are positive. This problem you have practiced, understood this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in this nothing is there, just in the first you can take it as 2 equation 1 and equation 2. You have to take any, either L you can take common, M or else N also you can take common, any one. And you have to substitute in this. This is the one of the algebraic expression we have got.
Yes.
AX square plus BX plus C equals to 0. That is the equation 3 you have got, no?
Yeah, ma'am.
From that you have to take, and with the help of that condition of perpendicular, from this relation only you will get the condition of perpendicularity and condition of parallelism. So by that you will get this one. So this is also important question. Why? Because you will have 3 sets, no? You know that set A, set B, set C, 3 sets will be there, no? So 10 marks question in unit 1 you will get, you may get in set A. So this second one 1.9.5 is there, no? You may get in section B, that is set B, and 1.9.6 is also there, no?
Yeah.
This is also 10 marks question, no? This is show that the angles between the 4 diagonals of a rectangular paralleloparallel are cos inverse A square plus or minus B square plus or minus C square divided by A square plus B square plus C square. Okay. So this is also somewhat similarly we have done, no, just no problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Same like that only it will be there. So these 1.9.45. So these 3 are the 10 marks questions in unit 1. Okay. And check your progress. Almost all the problems they have given the solution here.
Yeah.
So practice these all the problems. And MBQ questions also. First one is the one of the check your progress. We have no question.
Yes, ma'am. I
Right
will.
angle triangle. Same similarly you have. Find the coordinates of the point equidistant from the 4 points. So this is not there. First question, third question, next fourth question. So the PQ and this is also not regularly asked. Next, 11th question is there, no? If the direction ratios of a line are this, then
Yeah,
find
ma'am.
direction cosines. Next 12th question is there, no? Show that
Yeah,
the
ma'am.
line drawn from the origin with
Okay.
direction ratios are coplanar. So this also sometimes they will ask.
Ma'am, what about the centroid of a tetrahedron? 10th question.
Okay, this show that the almost this is not asked. This is like a formula we have, no?
Okay,
So
okay.
coordinates of the centroid of the tetrahedron whose vertices are x comma y comma z. So that is z r x r y r z r. So r values are 1 2 3 4. This is as a theorem you have.
Okay.
Okay. So almost you have the chance of only 2 5 marks questions now.
Okay.
In section A. So only one question you will get from the unit 1. One more
Yeah.
5 mark question you will get from the unit 2.
Unit
Because
2.
two questions they will not ask from the one unit only, no?
Yes.
So only one question you will get. That may be perpendicular. We have seen, no, that ratio lambda is to 1. That are points are given to form a square or a collinear or right angle, isosceles triangle. That type of questions only they will ask regularly.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next. This 21 problem is there, no?
21. Yeah.
A line making angles alpha, beta, gamma with the coordinate axis. Then show that sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus cos sine square gamma equals to 2. Okay. This
Yes.
also they will ask in the examination. And
23.
23 origin and P. Oh, no, this is not asked. But about 20 is there, no?
Yeah.
This is same as the one we have seen the theorem, no?
Yes.
1.4 1.9.5, I think so. That is taking any one as a common and we have substituted, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, we have to find this also. Three problems are there, A, B, C.
Yes.
So this question also you may get for the 5 marks question.
Okay.
Okay, these are about the unit 1. Very lengthy it is because all the concepts are there in this unit.
Yeah, ma'am.
Many different concepts are there. So just we have to guess. You may get these type of problems. We can guess that one. Why? Because from these 20, almost 20 are there, I think so. So from it, they have to choose only one problem. No?
Yeah, ma'am.
So one in unit A, that is set A, means actually 3 problems you'll get. But for if you are choosing set A means you'll get only one problem.
Yeah.
Okay. So next we have the unit 2 is there. The plane and various forms of the equation of a plane. So in this, just if you remember the equation of the plane, with the help of that, how to find the equation of the plane passing through the point is there, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Important page number. These two are important. First, you have to remember what is the equation of the plane. Second one is this A into x minus x1 plus B into y minus y1 plus C into z minus z1. This equation is there, no? This is the
Page
important.
number, ma'am.
Yeah.
Page number.
Page number 43.
Yeah. This is not.
Note we have, no? After note we have
Yeah.
this one.
The
And
equation of a plan.
this, you have to know what is the equation of a plane.
Okay.
With the help of that, if any one point is given in the problem and he is asking to find the equation of the plane, this formula is used.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, normal form of the plane is there. This is Lx plus My plus Nz equals to P. And in this only one more relation is there. 2 L square plus M square plus N square equals to 1 is there, no? By combining of that, a transformation to the normal form. Means one is the general equation will be there for the plane. Another one is normal form will be there. So general equation of the plane, we can convert it into
नॉर्मल
normal
फॉर्म।
form. That question also you will get for the 5 marks question here in unit 2. Okay.
या
So second unit is equation of a plane. In this, these concepts are important. In this also many are there. Actually, in 3D only, each unit you have 3 to 4 concepts are there.
या मैम।
So main thing for 3D is you have to remember all the formulas and concepts how to solve the problem. Then only you can solve the problems.
यस।
So you have to remember each and every next in third, not in third unit, in block 2 you have perpendicular T is there. So that is the finding the equation of two lines. We have to show that whether it is a coplanar or they are intersecting. If they are intersecting, we have to find the point of intersection. That is one is there, and SD, shortest distance. So actually, all the problems are somewhat easy only, but
या
you have to know the concept of that one.
यस।
So without the
मैम
practice
ये
also,
मैम
we
नोट,
yes, ma'am.
आपके पास नोट्स है मैम? ये मॉडल क्वेश्चन पेपर जो क्वेश्चंस है, एमईक्यूज, उसके सॉल्यूशंस?
सॉल्यूशंस तो नहीं, एक एक प्रॉब्लम एक एक यूनिट से मैं चूज करके कॉन्सेप्ट बताने के लिए बोलती होता है।
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक।
नोट्स तो पूरा नहीं है,
जी।
क्योंकि पूरा बनाना बोले तो बहुत है ना, इसमें कितने सारे हैं,
हाँ
बहुत सारे।
मैम, बहुत सारे है।
इसीलिए एक कॉन्सेप्ट के लिए एक प्रॉब्लम है। ज्यादातर तो एग्जाम्पल तो नहीं लेती, एमबीक्यू का रहता ना।
जी हाँ।
उसमें से एक प्रॉब्लम लेके, नहीं तो चुकियो प्रोग्रेस में एक प्रॉब्लम लेके उसके कॉन्सेप्ट बोलने के लिए एक लिख लेके रख
सॉल्यूशन।
लेते हैं।
हाँ।
पूरा बोले तो बहुत बड़ा हो जाता ना, हम लोग
हाँ
भी
मैम।
बोलने टाइप कंफ्यूज हो जाता, कौन सा इधर से इधर उधर चले जाता ना वो।
हाँ मैम।
आपका स्टडी सेंटर कौन सा है?
नामपल्ली।
नामपल्ली में साइंस का है?
हाँ, इंदिरा प्रिया दर्शनी।
हाँ, नहीं नहीं, साइंस के स्टडी सेंटर्स दो ही है ना, वो खैरताबाद में एक है, सिटी कॉलेज में एक है।
मैम वहाँ पर क्लासेस वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं होते, बस एग्जाम्स।
ऑफलाइन के क्लासेस हुए थे ना, आप किधर गए ऑफलाइन के
नहीं,
क्लासेस के?
ऑफलाइन नहीं हुए हम लोगों को।
वही वही अम्मा, ये क्या है बोले तो, आप साइंस के स्टूडेंट है ना, बीएससी है, कौन सा है
हाँ
आपका?
मैम, साइंस के ही है, लेकिन नामपल्ली में क्लासेस नहीं हुए हमारे।
हाँ, साइंस के क्लासेस उधर नहीं होते, आप सेंटर वाले नहीं बोले आपको?
नहीं नहीं बोले।
आपको केमिस्ट्री है, दूसरा कौन सा है?
स्टैटिस्टिक और कंप्यूटर।
स्टैटिस्टिक्स, कंप्यूटर और मैथमेटिक्स।
मैथमेटिक्स, यस।
ओके, सो एक्चुअली ये स्टैटिस्टिक्स तो खैरताबाद में होगा, खैरताबाद में स्टडी सेंटर है, मालूम है आपको?
हाँ है मैम, मेरे फ्रेंड भी है वहाँ पे, लेकिन उन लोग भी बोल रहे थे हमारे क्लासेस नहीं हुए, स्ट्रेंथ बहुत कम रहने की वजह से नहीं लिए।
हाँ, मैं एक्चुअली यहाँ पे सिटी कॉलेज है ना,
जी।
मालूम है, वहाँ हाई कोर्ट का नहीं रहता ना।
जी हाँ, मालूम मैम।
वहाँ पे क्लासेस लेते थे, मगर इस बार क्या हुआ, फिफ्थ सेमेस्टर के लिए स्टूडेंट्स एनरोल नहीं करे थे क्लासेस के लिए।
ओके। अच्छा।
अगर 10 स्टूडेंट्स वैसा एनरोल करे तो एक काउंसलर को अलॉट करते।
ओके।
तो लेस देन 10 स्टूडेंट्स है बोले तो कोई भी नहीं लेते, क्लासेस भी नहीं लेते, स्टूडेंट्स भी नहीं आते ना, ज्यादातर तो कोई भी
जी
नहीं
हाँ,
आ, या दो ही स्टूडेंट्स आ रहे थे। आप
तो
कोर के
स्ट्रेंथ कम रहने से नहीं है,
अ,
स्ट्रेंथ कम रहने से क्लासेस नहीं हुए इसलिए।
अच्छा, हमारे वो सेंटर में एक्चुअल दो सेंटर्स है ना, एक तो
जी हाँ,
सिटी कॉलेज का है,
फैजाबाद।
एक तो खैरताबाद का है।
हाँ।
तो इधर उधर अगर ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स है तो उधर एक काउंसलर को अलॉट करते, इधर एक काउंसलर को अलॉट करते।
ओके।
अगर स्टूडेंट्स कम है तो कहीं पे भी क्लासेस नहीं होते वो।
अच्छा।
आप कोर के क्लासेस को आए थे?
हाँ, ऑनलाइन अटेंड करे थे।
और एक दिन आए क्या, दूसरे दिन तो कोई भी नहीं दिखे थे स्टूडेंट्स?
हाँ, मेरा बेबी है मैम, मैं ज्यादा अटेंड नहीं कर सकती हूँ।
ओके ओके, हाँ। स्टार्टिंग में दो स्टूडेंट्स आए थे, उसके बाद में कोई भी नहीं आए।
अच्छा।
लीनियर अलजेब्रा देखे एक बार क्लासेस में?
जी। मैं रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो रहते ना मैम यूट्यूब पे, वो देख लेती हूँ ज्यादा।
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है। अगर लीनियर अलजेब्रा में कुछ डाउट्स, एक्चुअली आज लीनियर अलजेब्रा का ही क्लास था।
अच्छा।
5 क्लासेस हुए आज, इलेक्टिव स्टार्ट कर दिए।
जी।
नेक्स्ट वीक से इलेक्टिव थे एक्चुअली,
अच्छा।
आज शेड्यूल।
एग्जाम्स आ जा रहे ना मैम, लेकिन
डेट आया आपको?
हाँ 26 से एग्जाम्स है।
26 फरवरी।
हाँ
तब तक क्लासेस है ना फिर?
25 तक लास्ट क्लास है।
हाँ, 25 तक क्लास क्लास है। पढ़ लो, जो ये क्लासेस देके आपका प्रैक्टिकल क्लासेस भी होते ना,
हाँ हो गया प्रैक्टिकल क्लासेस।
वहां पे भी कुछ टॉपिक्स कवर करते ना।
हाँ
तो वो कुल मिला के पूरा मिलके एक बार प्रैक्टिस करे तो आपको समझ में आता है, उसमें से
जी
इम्पोर्टेंट
हाँ।
देख के वो प्रैक्टिस करो। Okay, now it is a general equation of a plane. So general equation of a plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equals to 0. So this is the general equation. Next one is the normal form of a plane will be there. Normal form of a plane. So that is lx plus my plus nz plus p equals to 0. Okay. So you can convert this, whatever the general equation will be there, you can convert it into normal form. On this also one question will be there. Normal form of a plane, equation of a plane. Page number 44 you have, and the actual transformation you have in 45 page number.
Yes.
Equals to p is there, plus p is it's not there. That is the difference between this one and this one. And one more here, this formula, when one point is given, this is also important. A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equals to 0. Okay. This formula also important. In some problems also we'll use this one. That is in page number 43 you have. This is when one point is given to find the general equation of a plane. This is the formula. And actually the general equation of a plane is this one. Normal form of a plane is this one. So when general equation is given, from that we can transform the equation into normal form. So that is procedure you have in page number 45. So the general equation of the plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0. And normal form is this one. So with the help of that, since the equation 1 and 2 represent the same plane, we have a by l. That is whatever the here direction ratios are there. These, if you equate these all, that is a by l equals to b by m is equals to c by n. Then this last constant values. So if you take this side, what will happen? This will be minus d no. So a by l is equals to b by m is equals to c by n is equals to minus
Minus
d.
3.
Okay.
Yes.
So with the help of that, and if you do the cross multiplication just before problems we have done now, that is
Yes.
it is L is equals to, you will get plus or minus root of a square plus b square plus c square by root of L square plus m square plus n square. So denominator you will get as 1. So each L will be, it is equals to plus or minus a by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Next m will be this one. If we do the cross multiplication, this again a is there no. So a divided by this one. M is equals to b by plus or minus root of a square plus b square plus c square. Similarly, n value also. Okay. Next p will be, that is p value. Here it is p is there no. P is equals to plus or minus or plus. Reciprocal you will get no. Here already minus sign is there. So
Yeah.
minus will become plus and
Yes.
plus will become minus. So n will be, so p will be minus plus d by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Okay. Okay, now substitute these all values. We got L value, M value, N value, and P value. So L, M, N, and P value. So if you substitute these all in second equation, this is 1 if you take, and this is 2. So these all values, if you substitute here, you will get A, B, C. That is in the form of equation of a plane you will get. So that relation is there. If positive, If positive, if it is a positive, if d value, in some cases, in some problems, you will get d value as positive, and also in some cases you will get d value as negative also. So in that next line, you have no, these two formulas are important. That is, you can write this as a by root of sigma a square into x plus b by root of sigma a square into y plus c by under root of sigma a square z is equals to minus d by under root of sigma a square. If d is, if d be negative, d negative means here you will get the negative, and if it is positive means you will get here this value as positive. But conversion process, this you have to remember. On the same, you have an example problem. Find the direction cosines of the normal to the plane. Not this one. Conversion is where we have. Here, reduce the equation. Example, we have no 46 page number. Reduce the equation x plus 2y minus 3z minus 6 equals to 0 of the plane to the normal form. So the given whatever equation is there, it is in the form of ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0. You have to convert it into lx plus my plus nz plus, equals to p form. Okay. So now just you compare what are a values, what are b, what are c, and what is d. D you have negative, no? Minus 6
Yes.
is there. So it
Fine.
is, this formula we have to apply.
Okay.
Okay. Minus d by root of sigma a square, that you have to apply here. So you
Yes.
find what is sigma a square. Sigma a square means a
B
square plus b square plus
C
c
square.
square value. So L, you have to substitute all the values m, n, and also p. You will get these all values. If you substitute in the formula, you will get the answer. Okay. This problem
Yes.
understood? Huh?
Yes, ma'am, understand.
Okay. So by this, you can solve the problems with the help of this one. Next, you have even check your progress also. Two problems
Yes.
are there.
The problem is there.
Reduce the given equation into normal form. Okay. Next
Yes.
week, we'll see some, if any problems are there in second unit, then we'll go to the bisectors of angle. 10 marks question is there now in unit 3.
Yes, ma'am.
That problem you will see.
I
Okay,
will
Amma?
practice second unit. If I
Uh,
have doubt, I will clear on next week.
okay, if you have any doubt, you ask in the next class. Here,
Yes.
if any important topics for 5 marks question or there means, I'll tell that one.
Yes, ma'am.
If not, means we'll go to the third unit, 10 marks
Oh,
question.
yes,
Okay.
ma'am. मैम सेक्शन सी में टू क्वेश्चंस आते हैं या फिर वन एक ही क्वेश्चन आता 20 मार्क्स का
20 marks, they may combine two questions. Why? Because sometimes they may not get the question which will be having the 20 marks. No.
ओके
That much of weight.
चॉइस और नॉट
What, ma?
चॉइस रहती है ना रहती
इंटरनल दो क्वेश्चंस रहते, एक क्वेश्चन लिखना उसमें से
ओके ओके
20 marks. So they may give only one question which will be for 20 marks, or combining of two questions
ओके
will be weightage रहना ना, 20 marks है ना,
हाँ
इसलिए उसका वेटेज रहे तो एक सिंगल क्वेश्चन देते, उतना वेटेज नहीं है बोले तो दो क्वेश्चंस मिला के एक
मिला
क्वेश्चन
के तो
मार्क्स का दे देते. अच्छा
ओके
ठीक है.
ठीक थैंक यू मैम